What is?
Hello everybody and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we're going to be talking all about my Christmas tree. Voila! It's pink! I don't know, I don't love the tree. I don't love the tree. I'm just going to spoil the video from now. I don't love the tree. It looks much better in the day. You haven't seen the top of the tree yet. Anyway, let's go through. So I'm there decorating the tree. I don't know what happened this year, but really and truly, all of the mistletoe, or what do you call this, the pine really itched my hands. My hands were all scratched up. I had to use a whole heap of hydrocortisone. It took me 2 days to get the tree up because the top wasn't looking as great as I wanted it to. I decided if I was going to do a pink tree, I wanted pink lights as well. Bought the pink lights and I never plugged them in. The lights are not a baby pink. They're more of a magenta. You have to see the tree in the night. The tree in the night have like a whole different life from the tree in the day. Anyway, I don't know why I have water on my list. I don't know what I was talking about water. This was a couple of days ago, but anyway, water. Oh, water the tree. I water the tree. Anyway, as you know, I do my lights from the bottom up. I don't know why. We discussed this in the comments last year. I just do the lights from the bottom up and I just have really good judgment on when to finish the lighting. And then, as I said a little bit earlier, I have a beautiful white star at the top, and because of the crystalling on the star, I thought that it would shine a more iridescent, like maybe a more baby pink. It's white. You have to see the tree in the night. In setting up the tree, I set up which was going to be the front of the tree, the side, the this, the that, and drop a comment below. Do you think my tree is cute?
What is?
So whenever I'm decorating the tree, I try and save as many of the boxes as possible from the ornaments, just so that when I'm packing up, everything can go back in little boxes and it's easier to store, and so that the decorations, especially the Christmas balls, don't break. So what I do is when I take out my big box of ornaments, you can see me here, I'm just laying out all of my ornaments to try and see what I have, see if I'll need anything, what's broken, to sift out what I'm going to use, what I'm not going to use, and just take a look at the different pinks, what has texture, what's baby pink, what's magenta, what's glittery, to kind of space them out on the tree, to give the tree some depth, to give the tree some life. I don't know how much more life this tree wants. This tree technically, this is the life of the party, this is a pink tree. So as I said, the lights are more magenta than a baby pink, which is I think when I started getting really disheartened about the tree. Because first of all, the tree is like a foot shorter than I would usually take. And then the lights, like on Amazon, it said that they were, this is the problem. I shopped much on Amazon. This is the problem. Anyway, the lights are more magenta. We'll leave it at that. Anyway, while I was decorating, I really wasn't too sure about my color choice. I was really getting a little disheartened, and I said, you know what, let me just continue. And when I was about 3/4 finished, Levi came, I got Levi from school, and he loves the tree. And I said to him, boy Levi, you know, I'm not too sure about the Christmas tree. And I just started letting him know that it's okay not to like it. And he started defending his Christmas tree, and he's like, I love it. This is such a great, this is my Christmas tree. And I said, you know what, that's the attitude to have. There's no way I'm going to redecorate the tree or pull down any decorations off of it. This is my tree. This is my pink Christmas tree, and we're going to make it work. You know, it looks really good in the day. Yeah, leave it at that.
Welcome guys, welcome back to our video. And my mom is decorating our Christmas tree. So let's head on. And we will talk about it tomorrow, okay guys? And I just went at school, I changed. And so my mom did not bathe, but it's okay. And we are going to do the Christmas tree. Wait, are the fans on?
Yeah, it's okay, they can be on.
Wait, guys, wait 1 second. I'm gonna turn on the light. All right, guys, I'm back. So I'm gonna go get an ornament and put it on. All right, guys, I'm gonna stick this ornament. So pretty, and it is pink. So, Mom, I'm going to put this ornament on.
Okay.
This pink one. Guys, if you want to help others do a Christmas tree, then usually comment below if my mom knows how to put a star on that. Star is so high. My mom can barely reach that. Mom, can you reach that star?
Well, I did reach it because I was the one that put it there.
So she's the one that put it there. And put it there. Alright, guys, we're almost finished. Maybe because my mom is in. And you see that thing right under? It makes the tree be steady and not do this shape a lot. You know every single people have that. And I'm gonna put this one at the top.
Okay, you just be careful. Oops. So what do you think of it being pink?
I like it. It's like something going on a Christmas tree. But it's like something.
I need to do something with the top though. Everything is just so pinky and the star is just white.
That's okay, Mommy. I still like it. You don't think you like it?
No.
Mommy, think in your mind that the star is not like that. Think in your mind.
It's not working. Alright, so as per usual, I have my Swarovski decorations on the tree. I collect the Swarovski decoration every single year since I believe 2001. So that is what, 20 of them that I have. And it really does add a nice little dimension to the tree. And when the lights aren't magenta pink, it kind of shines brightly just off of the iridescence of the beautiful Swarovski crystal. So I had a lot of these balls, especially the pink ones, are from 2017 when I did have a pink tree. And the reasoning behind the pink tree was I was trying to speak a baby girl into being. And so I was like, you know, if I have a pink tree, it would be so cool. Because if I got pregnant, then it could be my announcement. Like, okay, everybody, the tree is pink because gender reveal. Anyway, that never worked out at that time. But I have a whole heap of pink balls left over. And I said, you know, I don't want to waste. Let me just beef it up a little bit, buy a few more pink ornaments. And this year the tree will be pink. And you know what, to really think about it, like pink was really trendy last Christmas. And when I linked my friend who actually decorates Christmas trees, and I said to her, oh, I had a dream that I was buying pink decoration. She's like, oh, pink is on trend this year. So we have a nice, beautiful pink Christmas tree. What I did was, when I finished decorating the tree, I also have a pink skirt on it. It's very pink, it's very pink, it's very pink. So today we are having a lighting of the Christmas tree. I've invited all of my friends over and we have some wonderful eggnog from Simo's, and we're going to light the Christmas tree, and they are going to see how it looks in the dark or in the night, because day Christmas tree and night Christmas tree at the Henriques house is two totally different trees. Yeah, so I kind of beefed up the bow on the top because I wasn't going to do my big bow that I usually have. I was just going to do the star. But because the star, the white of the star and the pink of the tree was just such a stark difference, I decided to put back the ribbon, and I always make a really nice tree topper. So last year, I don't know if you guys saw my Christmas photo where we took beautiful family photos on the staircase, and I had some light up presents and stuff like that just in the background. So what I've done is, there's no presents under the tree yet, so I just have those on the floor here just to create a little like moment. Auntie Stephanie is annoyed because the stockings are red and the tree is pink, but that's just how it goes. It took me way longer to decorate the house this year. I added in a few more garlands. I'm sure last year you saw where I did garlands over the, I don't know what you call that something there, but I added more garlands around the balcony of the house, and I think that's why I was super all rashy from touching so much of this pine something. But anyway, so let's take a look at some of the ornaments on my tree, and let's take a look at, if I turn on the lights now, you're not, oh Christmas tree, voila, it's pink. You know, if you're gonna do a color, just go with it, you know. The feedback from Sean, he just said it was very bright, and I appreciate that because he's seen how much effort I put into the tree. He saw me with the hydrocortisone, you know, with all the scratches, so I appreciate the little feedback that it was bright. So Where's your pink dress? See, it looks like two different trees. Actually, you know, I think it's growing on me. It's definitely growing on me. Anyway, let's take a look at some of the decorations, and that's it for my beautiful pink Christmas tree this year. Drop a comment down below. What color do you think I should do next year, or do you think I should just give up on the Christmas tree thing on a whole because my Christmas tree them now my kids?
Mommy, what?
Do you like the Christmas tree?
Yes.
The kids love it. The kids love it. Yes. Auntie Tiffany said, yes, put it somewhere. Auntie Tiffany said the tree is large.
Under it.
It went under it. Mind you drop it down
don't
low.
go up
Sarah,
there.
come here.
Let's make it nice and full.
What are they doing with the camera?
I'm going to do a remember to subscribe.
Okay.
I tried to decorate the back of the tree so when your daddy is in the see, he's not even looking at the tree. Come on, let's sure.
Dad's not looking
No. Let's let out Auntie Tiffany.
at the tree. No, not you, Jacob. Not you.
No, alright, you go ahead.
So the tree. So hi guys. The tree back here behind me saw me the last time. Jacob, get out of there! And so this tree is decorated all good. You see these presents, they're not real presents. These presents right there, they're not real. But you see they're metal, this and all of the things. And there used to be an owl here, but
I put the owl on the windowsill.
on the windowsill, and we got this present here. It's not a real present.
Do you hope for some real presents?
Yeah. And so there's the 10 presents right here.
What kind of present you want for Christmas?
What do you wish for Christmas? I would really like joy. Because I have an idea. How about we joy? How about we joy?
Go.
This is your reminder to subscribe.
Excellent.
Mommy, I want.
All right. Gather here, gather here, gather here.
Come on and all.
Come on and all, gather, gather. Remy, the art. Come Byron, come Stephanie. You can be. Okay, everybody.
Can Sammy light the tree?
When I say it, you're gonna press this button. You have to wait, okay?
Okay, sorry.
In the spirit of Christmas, we have up a Christmas tree, which means good tidings to you and your kin. Hallelujah, amen. And so we are going to, instead of decorate the tree,
Is that recording? Please, yes it is.
instead of decorating the tree together, which probably would have been a better idea, we're going to light the tree. So today, Savannah shall light the tree. Savannah, light the tree.